Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check this list of students who have applied from via pre-admission. So first, log in with your school admin, then click on admissions, then click on pre-admission. Now, there's a tab called as pre-admission CRM. Okay. So over here, we can see all the students list. For all the students whom you have not confirmed, you'll see the status as pending. Now, if you want, you can either confirm that admission, reject or cancel it. If you want to confirm it, you can select confirm and you can send a confirmation SMS to that particular student. Or you can also filter. You can use the different filters we do have, like for which class you are taking, for which date you are taking. And we also have an option of want to send SMS to the filtered list. So you can also send a filtered SMS to the list. You can type that congratulations, your admission has been confirmed, something like that. Oh. Okay, you can do it in other languages as well. Now we can see how many students are there, the SMS count as well. So in that way you can also send to all the required particular students. Okay. Now let's say some students are pending and they have not yet confirmed and you want to take a follow-up. Now for any particular student, if you want to take a follow-up, you can just click on get follow-up and you can write something as a reminder that take follow-up tomorrow or anything, like whichever you want to set. So when you log in tomorrow, it will give you a reminder that you have to take follow-up for that particular student. Click on add. Follow-up added successfully. In that way, you will be able to take follow-up for that particular student as well. After that is the fees collection report. Now, if your readmission fees are paid online, we can see the mode is online payment, or if it's going to be paid cash, we'll see cash payment. All the fees collections will be seen over here, that how much was the total amount, how much is the paid amount, what is the receipt number. If I want to see the receipt or print the receipt, I can also check the receipt out. Whichever receipt I want out of these three payments, whichever I want to check out, I'll just go and print, click on the print button, and I'll be able to see a receipt of the payment. Like this. Okay, you can print the receipt as well. So you'll have a detailed report. You can filter the reports according to the class start date, end date. Now there's something called as summary reports. So summary report is basically your total report for which academic year, or show all. I'm just doing show all. So I can see for which classes, how many admissions I've confirmed, how many are still pending, if I've rejected any, cancelled any, how many total inquiries were placed. So in that way you can have a complete report of all the admissions or the pre-admissions that happened for that particular year or that academic year. We also have the second type, conversion wise report. So that's all about how you can use our pre-admission module. Thank you.